going on, everybody? I go by the name of Curry, and I want to thank you guys for joining me here today on SneakerPhetish. All right, now today we're taking a look at a classic colorway of an even more classic silhouette, but I want to tell you guys today why you actually should not buy the sneaker. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right, guys, today we are talking about the newest Jordan 4 that's coming out, and we're starting with the box. Now, personally, I'm a fan of the box. I love how it matches the sneaker, all black box, all blacked out Jumpman emblem, all blacked out flight. Even the bottom of the box is all blacked out as well. I love it. Classic take on a classic box. Again, I find it interesting that we actually got special edition packaging on this one, but this sneaker isn't even branded a special edition, a Jordan SE. But for sneakers like the Jordan 4, which was a Jordan SE, we didn't get anything. We got a regular box. Whatever. Let's take a look at the shoe. Boom. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat for 2020. Like I said, classic silhouette, classic sneaker, classic colorway. There's not a whole lot to discuss here, and I want to talk to you guys more so about the impact of the sneaker, and again, why you shouldn't buy it, more so than the sneaker. So let's just run through it real quick. All right, guys, starting with the upper here, again, classic Air Jordan 4 silhouette. Nothing different about that. All black upper, all black colorway. What I really did like was that even in the airbags here, they kept it really close to the OG, because if you remember back on the 2006 pairs, it actually looked almost bluish in the airbags, and they actually got that same color again. That's really dope. Smooth nubuck all over the shoe, nothing different there, same materials. Classic Air Jordan 4 tongue, graphite Jumpman, graphite flight underneath that Jumpman, really nice. Now, a lot of people have been talking about how the tongue is thicker this time around in the 2006 pair. I agree. This is a really thick tongue. Don't know why they made it this thick, but it's really thick. Graphite upside down Air Jordan 4 tag on the back of the tongue. Nubuck heel tab on the back of the shoe with that really nice hard plastic Jumpman on the back of the sneaker. And to finish it out, classic all blacked out outsole with the white Jumpman in the midfoot. And that's literally it. What about the sneakers? No extra laces, no hang tag, no nothing. Would have been nice if we could have at least gotten a hang tag with this shoe, but whatever, we didn't even get a hang tag with these. It is what it is. The sneaker feels a little bit rushed. I'm not gonna lie about that. The release has been really confusing. They moved up to date, they moved back to date. I think that what they were trying to do was figure out everything that they wanted to do for All-Star Weekend. I think they kind of wanted them to stand out a little bit on their own. So I think that's why they were playing around with what date they wanted to do it. So I think they wanted to drop these during a week where it's a little slower for drops for Jordan Brand. And this was a perfect week to do it. These sneakers actually, I was able to get off of an early access, kind of a shock drop that happened on the sneakers app about a week ago, but the sneakers are slated to release tomorrow, which is January the 22nd. So by the time you're watching this, these sneakers will probably have already dropped. All right, for those of you guys who don't really understand the historical significance of the sneaker, let me break that down real quick. The colorway, the Black Cat, comes from one of my favorite stories about Tinker Hatfield and Michael Jordan. Tinker Hatfield was actually watching gameplay and tapes of Michael Jordan playing the game, and he realized that a lot of Michael Jordan's game is similar to that of a cat. Cats like to save up their energy and then pounce very quickly. He noticed that Michael Jordan liked to do that on the court as well. He moved with a lot of ferocity, but when he would jump up, he could land softly on his feet, and he was very good at conserving his energy. And that's basically how he came up with the whole Black Cat motif. Now, he went to Michael Jordan, told him his idea, and Michael Jordan stopped him and said, "How'd you know my nickname?" Apparently, Black Cat was a secret nickname that Michael Jordan told Tinker only his closest friends knew back in the day. Tinker told him, "I don't know anything about that. I didn't know that that's what your friends called you, but I guess it was fate." Thus, the Black Cat colorway was born on the Jordan 13 and then was later put on other models of the sneaker, including the Air Jordan 4. Now, 14 years later, we're getting the Black Cat back, and a lot of people seem pretty excited about it. And I'm not mad at that. It's a good looking sneaker. All black Air Jordan 4, you can't really go wrong with it at all. But why should you not buy it right now? Here's why. It's an all black Air Jordan 4. That's the reason why you shouldn't buy it right now. Sneaker costs $190. I get what Jordan Brand is doing. They're trying to bring back really nostalgic colorways and really nostalgic models of sneakers. But at the same time, we didn't forget that when this sneaker originally dropped, it didn't cost no $190 to get the shoe. And with so many other sneakers coming out right now, spending $200 on this shoe to me just really doesn't seem worth it. There's a ton of other sneakers coming out, especially for All-Star Weekend, that to me having $200 tied up in this sneaker doesn't make sense. I'm gonna give you guys a pro tip, because again, I know a lot of you guys sell sneakers, whether or not you do it for a business or to make a little bit of extra money on the side. I'm gonna give you some tips. Here's what you do in order to get the Black Cat 4 for free. What you do is you save your money, you don't buy this shoe right now, you cop whatever you want to cop All-Star Weekend, then you flip those, make your money, and then use the profit that you made to get these for free. Also, if these shoes don't sell, then they may actually go on sale, which would make it even easier for you to be able to cop the sneaker. In my opinion, I don't think that it's really worth $200. I mean, again, we didn't even get an extra hang tag, we didn't get any extra laces. We didn't get anything with this. We did get a special edition box, which was cool. But to me, a lot of the accessories and a lot of the hardware that comes with these sneakers, especially at this elevated price that they're at now, it just doesn't justify it to me. That's just me. Right now on Golden StockX, before they even drop, they're already trending around retail price, which means that when they do drop, chances are the prices are gonna drop right along with it, and you'll probably be able to pick up a pair a little bit under retail price anyway. But for those of you guys that have to have them, go ahead and cop up. It's a good sneaker to have. I'm not mad at the shoe, I'm just a little bit mad at the price tag. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, that's pretty much all that I got about these. Just wanted to give a quick look and kind of give my opinions about it. Now it's time for you guys to sound off down in the comments and let me know what you guys think about the 2020 Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. Are these ones that you were looking forward to getting? I know a lot of you guys already have pairs, early pairs, things of that nature. I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube already. So if you happen not to have a pair yet, do you plan on picking up a pair, or are you gonna wait for them, or are you gonna skip them altogether? Let me know. Of course, right down in the comments, make sure that you click on that subscribe button so we can welcome you into the Sneaker Fetish family to make sure you don't miss out on any more heat that comes through like these, because I guarantee you, I got a lot more heat on the way. As always, I want to thank you guys for joining me here today on Sneaker Fetish, taking a look at these with me, unboxing it with me for a couple of minutes. I go by the name of Kari. This is the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat for 2020. And until next time, I'm out.